Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is day 3 of me learning English with an American accent. Yesterday I did the shadowing challenge. You can watch that video. And also if you're new here, let me tell you what I'm doing. So I'm doing a 6 months challenge where I'll learn English with an American accent. And in these 6 months I'll do everything I have to do to learn English, to master English. And also guys, I have a very good news for you guys. I'm creating a Discord server very soon. It's already done, as you can see here, but I'm not showing you right now. It will be a surprise for you guys. Trust me, here you can learn English easily. Give me 2 or 3 more days and I'll show you guys everything. In this Discord server, we can literally talk to each other. Like, we can do anything for free. You guys don't need to give like any money or anything. It will be literally free. So yeah, wait for that. And also in today's video I asked ChatGPT to give me 30 questions. As you can see, he gave me 30 questions, so I'm just gonna answer these questions. So yeah, let's go. This is our challenge for today. So yeah, let's do this. The first question, how is going? It's going good, guys. How about you? How's it going with you? The second question, what's up? It's like same. Number 3, did you sleep well? Yes, yesterday I sleep well. What time do you usually wake up? It's like around 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. But right now it's 1:40 a.m. as you can see here. It's literally so late. I still didn't sleep. Next questions. Have you had your coffee yet? Bro, this is night. I'll sleep in a few minutes after recording the video. I'll go to sleep. What are you up to today? Right now I'm making video. Tomorrow I'll upload the video and try to make the Discord server for you guys. And yeah, I need to go to school also. So yeah. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Yes, I will work on my English on my Discord server to help to get American accent and also be fluent in English. This is my on and only goal right now. I have to achieve this by the end of this year. Alright, so for the next day, how is the weather over there? It's good enough, not bad. It's like normal. And then number 9, do you like staying up late or waking up early? Well, I do like to wake up early, but I can't just sleep early, like I want but I can't. 10, what do you usually do in your free time? I usually play games. You can see here I play a lot of video games, and also I watch American content, and sometimes I try to be better at English. So from now also I'll try to be better at English every single time. So yeah, this is right now my one and only goal. Food and drinks. Alright, 11. What's your favorite fast food place? McDonald's also. Do you like trying new foods? Yes, I do. I want to try different foods. 13, like, are you more of a coffee or tea person? Like, I'm like more of coffee. Like, I like coffee more. What's something you eat almost every day? What's something chocolate, I guess. I don't know. Yes, chocolate. Have you ever tried American snacks? Yes, I tried. But I'm not from America though. But I wanna go there. Fun and entertainment. Alright. What kind of music do you usually listen to? To be honest, I don't listen music that much. But if then I listen Weekend, Justin Bieber, and yeah. Just, have you seen any good movies lately? Well, To be honest, I forgot when. Oh yeah, last time I forgot How to Train a Dragon, the movie, and it was really really good. Trust me, guys. That was my last movie. And if you ask me what's my favorite movie, then I should say like every Spider-Man movie because I'm a huge fan of Spider-Man. Is American English easier or harder than you thought? Well, that's kind of interesting questions. Like it is hard, but I don't know what to answer this. Like I can everyone can learn American accent, but the only thing we have to like believe in ourselves and keep practicing every single day. This is the only way to learn American accent and English. What's the hardest part about speaking fluently? Well, I don't know. I'm still learning, so I don't know what to answer this. Do you shadow native speaker when you study? Yes, I do. I did yesterday for the first time, and before I never did shadowing. And I have to start doing this because this is a really great technique. Alright, 5 left. 26. Would you rather be super fast or super strong? I'll choose super fast because if I be super fast, I can be super strong guy easily, I guess. Number 27. If you could visit anywhere in the US, where would you go? It's kind of hard question, I gotta lie. To be honest, I want to go to Newark. I like California, I guess. And I don't know, like these places are too good, not gonna lie. Do you like dogs or cats more? I like cats more compared to dog, but dogs are also good, not bad. I'm not saying dogs are bad, cats are good. I'm just saying cats, I like cats more, that's all. Are you more of a summer or winter person? I like both, not gonna lie, I like both. What's something new you learned this week? What's something new I learned this week? Well, I have to say that I learned how to like make a Discord server because I never created a Discord server before, so it's something new for me. So yeah, this is day 3 of me learning English. Today I just answered some of these questions. This is not hard. And also guys, you can also practice with me every single day. This will help you, trust me. And also just wait few days. When I create the Discord server, it will help us. Like this is the way, like if you like let's say you play, like you know how to play football, right? But you don't play, so you can't play at the field. So we have to practice English to be better at English, right? So that's why I'm creating the Discord server. So yeah, this is day 3 of me learning English. See you all in my next video, which is tomorrow. See ya.